Hi guys, welcome to Rosemary Delicacies. Today we'll be going to cook samosa, and the ingredients we need are flour, this one, and then we also need ndengu, salt and others. So we'll start by putting the flour in the basin, and then you add warm water. My flour is small, but yeah, you'll start by just kneading the dough as normal. Kama tu venye unaninia chapo pia. My dough is ready, guys, so we'll start by partitioning the dough so that we can get the number of balls that we want. So for me, I'll just partition at least 4 balls like this. You do like this, and then another one. My balls are ready. Sorry, I have a total of 8 balls. So we will start by spreading the balls, the small balls. And then to the spread dough, you add little amount of oil. Then you spread it evenly. You add a little bit of flour, and then you put aside. Guys, you'll continue with the same process until your balls are all finished. See you in the next one. Guys, this is the final result after spreading your balls. Now we are going to the next step. The next step is spreading these ones so that it becomes a larger size, such that we can cut it into triangles to make samosa. So let's go. This is the final stage. I think I'm done with spreading the dough, but you will spread according to the size that you want. This is my size, so let's go with these ones. In the second last stage, you ensure that you preheat your pan, and then you put the already spread dough into the preheated pan as shown in the video. You will wait until guys, your layers should come like this and very easily, just like this. Then you put it aside. Continue with the other ones. The other one is also coming the same way. You put it aside. Guys, this is the final product. This is our layers. They have come out well. So make sure you arrange them in a evenly so that we can easily cut them. We are going to cut the layers into 2, just like this. Yeah. Now this is our layers. We are going to make the paste so that we can use to close the layers like this. This is how you will make your paste. You add small amount of water into a cup or whatever the container that you will use, and then you add 2 to 3 spoons of flour, and then you start mixing it or stirring. Stir it until you achieve the consistency that you want. For me, this one is good for me, so you just use yours. This is our green grams or ndengu, so we will add a little bit of salt to taste. just like this one. I think this one is enough for me. And then you mix it together. So let's start by wrapping up the final stages of making samosa. We will take our paste and then we'll start to form a shape of a samosa, just like this as shown in the video. Set aside. Continue with the same process until you are done with all the leaves that you have. This is the final result, the leaves plus the ndengu inside. So in another pan, make sure you put your generous amount of oil and then you preheat it until the oil becomes very, very hot. So let's put our samosas into the oil so that they can cook. Guys, this is the final one, the final round of our samosas. I've cooked 12 samosas in total in just less than 5 minutes. Now guys, we are done in just less than 5 minutes. This is the final product. So see you in the next one. Tukate kachumbari. Guys, we are making this kachumbari for our samosas so that we can eat with them together. I'm already done with the onions, so it is tomatoes now. In a minute we'll be finished. See you in the next